My name is Matteo Munari, working at Alfa Laval, and I'm the head of what we call application and technology development. Today we are at the European Heat Pump Summit. And we came to the question about the impact of the new refrigerant, in particular natural refrigerants for the future. And if we take the heat pump as technology, our view as Alfa Laval is that for sure natural refrigerant will be one of the possible alternatives. And in order to support this development, we are investing in development on the technology in order to make CO2 less problematic, creating new standard for CO2 heat exchanger to resist at higher pressure, as well as for ammonia as natural refrigerant. We are going to develop the next generation of what we call Alfa Nova in order to take away copper in a more cost-effective way going forward. So this is our contribution, and is our vision also to support the introduction of natural refrigerant.